Good morning. This is day 2 of my cross-country trip on my Super 73. Yesterday was amazing. I feel fine. I had one cramp last night, but I had magnesium pills, so I'm just going to monitor that and just stretch a lot. Today I'm just have a short trip. So first time, however, that I have to go onto the freeway on the I-8, so that's a little sketchy. I do have pretty much only downhill, so I'm at 4,000 feet right now. I'm going to end up at 200 feet, so I got to watch my downhill speed. Yesterday I did over, I think, 42, 43 miles per hour, and it's getting a little dodgy at that speed. Also, there was a flood warning last night for El Centro, so I hope it's not going to affect my ride down there at all, but we'll find out, I guess. Oh yeah, and unfortunately there is no freaking restaurant in this little place, so there will be no kilo breakfast. I have to probably go to another Subway, but I hear they have breakfast as well. So let's do this. Hi. It's a crisp morning. It's about 19 degrees Celsius, and I only have a 60-mile ride today, downhill for miles. Good morning. So I just stopped my bike and just listen how quiet it is. Wow, beautiful. All right, on we go. Subway time. Literally no diner, no restaurant, nothing at all, not even in Jacumba. So luckily, a little bit out of the way, there was a Subway. And in the morning, Subway actually does serve egg and avocado sandwiches, so I'm golden. Here we go, onto the freeway. Flat tire. Shit. 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 Fuck. I'm off the freeway, so I'm happy about that. And now I'm on my last, I think, 25 miles off to El Centro. Let's hope my tires hold up. Just talked to James at that gas station. He is from Osortillo. He told me not to take that highway, that old Highway 80, because it's going to eat my tires alive, he said. Well, the truth is I don't really have a choice. I cannot go on the freeway here because this is the part where you're not allowed as a bicycle. And quite honestly, I really would not want to be on the freeway anyways. I mean, as much as I can avoid it, I will definitely not be on the freeway. Look at that smiley. Road closed. I hope that's not true. It does not look good. It looks like the road is closed. That would suck ass. See if we can get around this somehow. That would be great, because I definitely cannot turn around. So we'll find out. Okay. I think I might be able to just somehow get past this. Yeah, I think so. I just have to somehow get my bike over here. Let's try this. This is going to be one heavy ass bike. Oh, yeah. That's not bad at all. Yes. Part 1. Let's just hope I can get easily out on the other end, and that would be amazing. I would be on my way. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad at all. Yes. All right. Done. Clearly there was a flooding. You can see on my right here how much water there is still. Wild. Damn, that street is rough. It's like really a rough road for like 20 miles now. Best spot is right here on that center line, but quite challenging to keep. Let's see how long I can hold it right now. Because I also like to look around, you know, and look at stuff. Whoop, here we go. That wasn't long. It's crazy. 3 hours ago, I still would have told you I will never ride on gravel, because I just hate riding on gravel. You can ask Cal. Hate it. Now, riding on gravel is the most smooth surface I can find here. Starting to rain on me a little. Today I get it all, I think. Flat tire, flooding, detour, a road from hell, and now the rain. So let's see how hard it's gonna catch me. All right, day 2 done. Was supposed to be a really short, smooth downhill ride. Ended up to be probably a lot of adventure for my second day, more than I asked for. But now we're done. Time to take a really long shower, have good food, check my bike, make sure all the screws are tight so that for tomorrow everything is fine again. And yeah, just relax. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a good night or a good day. Bye.